Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Magic Embroidery Pen is probably one of the most innovative and easy-to-use tools for adding beautiful embroidery to your fabric projects, allowing you to create intricate designs without the need for needles or complex stitching techniques. Perfect for beginners and experienced crafters alike, this pen will transform your crafting experience and unlock a world of creative possibilities, making it an essential addition to any craft enthusiast's collection. Number 5. Punch Needle Embroidery Kit. It's a unique and beautiful craft kit perfect for various projects. This kit includes 137 accessories, providing everything you need to get started. It offers small, medium, and large embroidery needles to suit your needs. The ergonomic design makes your work more efficient and convenient. This kit boasts 100 vibrant colors of embroidery floss, giving you endless creative possibilities. Create beautiful projects for yourself or as gifts. The kit comes with clear instructions, making it easy for beginners and experts alike. Create masterpieces, personalized gifts, or beautiful home decor. Use it to add charming patterns to clothing, curtains, pillowcases, and more. Your fabric is the canvas for your artistic expression. What we like? It boasts an extensive color palette and includes everything a beginner needs to get started. If you're new to embroidery and want a versatile kit for various projects, this is the perfect choice. You'll be amazed by the variety of creations you can make. What people say. This embroidery kit is easy to use, come with varieties of needles and colorful threads, basically everything you need to get started. The punch works great too. I bought this to do some embroidery on jeans and some canvas bags. The punch tool is constructed well and it is an all-in-one set. I don't have to go looking for other parts outside. The various tools included, colors of threads extend the usability for normal embroidery and other thread crafts. Comes neatly packed in a compact box so everything stays in place. It also came with a plastic box to keep everything nice and neat. It works like a charm for me. Also, I was impressed with so many different colors of thread. The little thread cutter scissor things worked great too. Number 4. EVINIS Embroidery Punch Needle Kit. Let's get started with this comprehensive kit. It has everything you need to begin your embroidery journey, from needles to hoops and threads. It includes 5 hoops in different sizes, so you can create embroidery pieces of various sizes. This gives you lots of flexibility for your projects. This kit comes with 3 interchangeable needles, small, medium, and large, allowing you to tackle any embroidery project with ease. You can adjust the needle length for even more control. Besides the needles and hoops, it's packed with 100 colors of thread, bobbins, scissors, and even a measuring tape. You'll find everything you need to get started right away. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, even for extended periods. It's so easy to use, you'll feel like you're drawing a picture. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced embroiderer, this kit is perfect for you. It's ideal for creating beautiful embroidery pieces, or for gifting to a loved one. What we like? This kit stands out with its interchangeable needles and a range of hoop sizes to accommodate different projects. If you need adaptability and comfort during your crafting, this kit is for you. It's perfect for those who want to experiment with various embroidery techniques and sizes. What people say. It came with all the pieces. The quality of the strands is nice and the colors are vibrant and the needles are very useful. It has a good amount of stuff. Number 3. SelfTek 12-piece punch needle kit. This kit has everything you need to get started with punch needle embroidery. It includes an embroidery pen, needles, threaders, and more, all in a convenient storage box. The premium stainless steel pen with a soft grip makes stitching easy and comfortable. It's designed to keep the needle secure for accurate stitches. It comes with 3 different size needles, so you can create various textures and effects in your embroidery. Experiment with different loop lengths. The included finger protectors will help keep your fingers safe while you work. Enjoy crafting without worrying about accidental needle pricks. A fabric marker for planning your designs, and a seam ripper for easy corrections are also included. The seam ripper cap even doubles as an extension handle. It's great for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Use it to create beautiful designs on clothing, pillows, wall hangings, and more. What we like? It features an improved embroidery pen for effortless stitching and includes finger protectors for safety. If you value precision, comfort, and safety, this kit is a must-have. The additional tools make the whole process easier and more enjoyable. What people say. Some things can be really overpriced in niche crafts like punch embroidery. So far very durable and pleasant to use. Love this little set, great for beginners, easy and organized case. Lots of tools for a good price. Number 2. Embroidery Punch Needle Kit. It's perfect for clothing, pillows, carpets, or any decorative item you can imagine. Unleash your creativity and personalize your belongings. This is a fun craft for all ages and skill levels. It's quick to learn and incredibly satisfying. Enjoy some relaxing crafting time with your family. The needle is exceptionally stable and secure, ensuring a smooth and easy crafting experience. It's far superior to other punch needles. The kit includes 2 punch needles, wires, needle heads, a storage box, cloth stickers, scissors, and an instruction manual. Everything you need to get started is included. With this kit, you can create unique and personalized items. Let your imagination run wild and enjoy the process of bringing your creative visions to life. It's simple and easy to use, regardless of your experience level. You'll be creating beautiful embroidered pieces in no time. What we like. This kit's highlight is its incredibly stable needle, ensuring precise stitches every time. If you prioritize a secure and reliable tool for your embroidery projects, this is the one for you. Its compact size also makes it perfect for taking on the go. What people say. Cumple con su function, solo el plástico se medio resbala da agitado bien. Viene con todo lo necesario para empezar. Si eres principiante y lo que buscas en practicar un rato, es la indicada. Number 1. DIYerClub Punch Needle Kit. Welcome to the world of punch needle embroidery. This kit has everything you need to get started, from colorful threads to easy-to-use tools. It's packed with 100 colors of embroidery floss, needles, hoops, and even a magic pen. You'll have all the supplies you need to create beautiful projects. This kit is perfect for beginners. The clear instructions make it simple to learn various embroidery techniques, no experience needed. The ergonomic design of the punch needle and soft hoops ensure hours of comfortable crafting. You'll love how easy it is to handle. We're confident you'll love this kit. If you have any problems, contact us, and we'll make sure you're 100% satisfied. Order your kit now and embark on a creative journey. Unleash your inner artist and create stunning embroidery masterpieces. What we like. It's a comprehensive kit with all the essentials and high-quality materials for a comfortable and enjoyable experience. If you're looking for a complete and easy-to-use kit to start your embroidery journey, this is an excellent option. The durable materials ensure it will last for many projects. What people say. This is a wonderful little kit. A number of needles and other tools in a sturdy plastic case, some basic instructions on different embroidery stitches and punch embroidery. I love that this kit comes with everything needed for a beginner to complete a few projects. Great quality as well. Great for beginners to experience needle punching. Very satisfying for sensory art. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.